If you're a professional seller, you can take advantage of Amazon Business features to help optimize your reach to business B2B customers who purchase in larger quantities or place frequent, repeat orders on Amazon. You have access to tools such as business price, quantity discounts, bulk selection options, certifications, and other features that can help you succeed in B2B selling. To access Amazon Business features from Seller Central, search for B2B Central. Start by completing your business profile with key information such as your annual revenue, number of employees, Data Universal Numbering System or DUNS ID, Universal Entity or UEID, and Diversity Business Identity. Many business and government customers use filters to find certified businesses, so listing this information helps increase your product visibility, especially for those with specific purchasing requirements such as minority-owned or other certified businesses. Your UEID and DUNS ID automatically connect your profile to government-issued certifications, making it easier for business customers to find and verify your business. Next, begin developing your business pricing strategy. You can create a business price which is visible only to business customers and set a quantity discount to encourage ordering in bulk. These prices work alongside your standard retail pricing, giving you complete control over your pricing strategy. Then, review your product opportunities. We look at what business customers want to buy and combine this with your sales history to suggest products that could work well for your B2B business. B2B Central provides access to analytics that let you track B2B sales performance and gain insights into customer behavior. These analytics can help you make data-driven decisions about pricing, inventory, and product offerings to better meet the needs of business customers. Consider how your products can support bulk purchases. You can create business-only listings or set up case packs, which let customers buy multiple units in a single package. Your case pack recommendations share personalized suggestions based on your catalog and customer demand. If you fulfill your orders yourself, it's also important to regularly review your delivery performance in the Fulfillment Insight dashboard. Your Business Hour Delivery Rate, BHDR, measures how often your packages arrive during standard business hours. Consistently delivering during business hours can qualify you for a Business Hour badge, which helps signal dependability to buyers. You can improve your BHDR by choosing carriers and shipping options that deliver on weekdays and avoiding weekend deliveries. For additional information, read the Amazon Business B2B or Amazon Business FAQ help pages in Seller Central.